How to ensure code compliance for this kitchen sink drain? I remodeled my kitchen, installing larger, deeper sink and a new disposal. I am wondering if the installation meets the code in terms of the height difference between the disposal and the drain outlet at the wall. Shown is a picture of the new drain, just a dry fit for now. Is it okay to go ahead and complete the installation? Question from user Hours at Stack Exchange. Answer: you really have just two key dimensions to worry about, assuming appropriate pipe size and slope, which you seem to have. They are maximum tailpiece disposal output pipe height and maximum trap arm length. You're fine with both by a good margin, assuming a vent stack shortly inside the wall. It all looks dandy. Answer from user Isherwood at Stack Exchange.